Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ClickBank Hoplink tracking for conversions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize ClickBank Hoplink tracking for conversions, begin by logging into your ClickBank account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Marketplace section. In the Marketplace, use the search bar to find the product you wish to promote. Click on the product to view its details. On the product page, locate the Promote button and click it. A window will pop up asking for your account nickname. Enter your account nickname into the field provided. Next, you will see an option for tracking ID. Optional, but recommended, enter a tracking ID to help monitor your campaigns. Once you have filled in the necessary information, click on the Generate Hoplink button. Your unique hoplink will be created and displayed on the screen. Copy this hoplink to your clipboard. Now, go to your website or landing page where you plan to use this hoplink. Paste the hoplink in the desired location. It's time to test your hoplink to ensure it works properly. Open a new browser tab and paste the hoplink into the URL bar. Press Enter to visit the link. Make sure the browser redirects you to the correct sales page. Now, return to your ClickBank account. Navigate to the reporting section to track your conversions. Monitor your analytics to verify that conversions are being recorded. If everything looks good, you're set up to start promoting your product. Remember to store your hoplink securely for ongoing use. With these steps, you have successfully authorized ClickBank Hoplink tracking for conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.